Dr. Jacob, I saw online people cracking their own necks. What do you think about that?
Well, I think it can give temporary relief. However, it kind of leads to a bigger problem over time when those joints start to move too much. I think instead of cracking your own neck, you should instead come for a chiropractic adjustment, which finds the joints that are restricted and really need to move and helps to relieve that tension that you're feeling. Come see us at Sante if you want to get in step.